In this video, you will learn how to use the internal test and adjustment function. Place your sample on the weighing pan. You want to check if your METTLER TOLEDO weigh module is working accurately? Use the internal test and adjustment function. After activation via our communication protocol or our configuration software APW link, an internal weight is applied to the weigh module's load introduction path. Your sample can remain on the weighing pan. You can choose to run a test to quantify the sensitivity deviation of your weigh module. The measured sensitivity deviation can be outputted either in absolute or relative units. Or you can choose to test and afterwards adjust the sensitivity deviation of your weigh module. Repeat the measurement. Well done!